Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Image segmentation is a crucial task in computer vision that involves dividing an image into multiple segments to simplify its representation and make it easier to analyze. In this tutorial, we will explore image segmentation using Python and the popular computer vision library OpenCV. Make sure you have the following libraries installed. Image segmentation can be achieved through various techniques, and one of the commonly used methods is based on color or intensity differences. The watershed algorithm, implemented in OpenCV, is particularly effective for this purpose. The watershed algorithm treats an image as a topographic map where pixels with similar intensities are treated as valleys. Water is poured into these valleys, and as the water level rises, the basins, segments, are formed. Loading and preprocessing, load the image and convert it to grayscale. Apply thresholding to create a binary image. Noise removal, use morphological operations to remove noise from the binary image. Sure background and foreground areas, identify the sure background and sure foreground areas. Marker labeling, label connected components in the sure foreground. Watershed algorithm, apply the watershed algorithm to segment the image. Visualization, display the original image, binary threshold, and the segmented image. Image segmentation is a powerful technique in computer vision, and the watershed algorithm provides an effective way to achieve it. Experiment with different images and parameters to fine-tune the segmentation for your specific use case. ChatGPT